once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to do a raita. We're going to do a tomato and onion raita. So, I mean, obviously this is great with a little curry on the side or something like that. It's really simple. Let's just run through some ingredients. So here I've got some plain yogurt or curd, tomatoes cut nice and small, onions about the same amount, but you can play around with that, again small. Here I've got some fresh curry leaves. If you can get those, they're really wonderful. Some cilantro or fresh coriander, some optional green chili, fresh chili, a few cumin seeds, a little touch of chili powder, and we're going to have a little bit of oil and a little bit of salt to this. Really, really simple. So the first thing we do is with our yogurt or curd, because it's quite sort of lumpy when you get it like that, is you need to just whisk it and kind of get it nice and smooth and all those sort of lumps will come out. So let me do that. I'll be back just like in 60 seconds. Okay, we've smoothed that out. Really simply, we're just going to add the ingredients now. So some onion, nice and small. I'm using a red. Tomatoes, again, cut nice and small, about equal parts, but like I say, you can really play around with that. Optional chili, and some people would, if you're going to put chili in, would take the seeds out. I'm not doing that. Some fresh coriander or cilantro, or alternatively you could be using some fresh mint and a little tiny pinch, tiny pinch or two of chili powder, just at the end, just to taste. I'm going to get some salt in there. Okay, just going to give that a mix. Then we'll move on to the very last stage. So here we are, the last stage here. A little bit of tempering what we're doing. So look, I've got some oil in there. Now you could be using any oil you wanted, because that's what's going to kind of really flavour it here. I'm just using a straight sunflower oil, but mustard seed oil or something like that could really work. What we're doing is we're going to get in those cumin seeds. We just want them to infuse that oil there, just for a few seconds. And then the fresh curry leaves, in they go. And then off goes the heat. And that's done. What we're going to do now, we're going to go back over to our yogurt. We're going to pour this all on, the three ingredients here, and then give it a final mix, and it's done. Okay, so here we go. Last stage, we're literally just going to fold that in, and we really do have a lovely tomato and onion yogurt or raita. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.